Welcome to 11 Alive Midday at 11. I'm Cheryl Preheim. More delays in the YSL RICO trial. Court was expected to resume this morning in the trial involving rapper Young Thug and several co-defendants, but so far we are still waiting for proceedings to begin. This new pause comes after the trial came to a halt on Wednesday after a move for a mistrial. 11 Alive's Liza Lucas is live at the Fulton County Courthouse with what we know right now. Liza, the days just keep ticking here.
That's right. And this morning, what we can tell you for sure is that attorneys with the state, as well as several attorneys for the defense, were here right on time at 9 a.m., presumably for a meeting with the judge. One attorney basically telling 11 Alive that meeting was like the equivalent of an in-chambers meeting, so the public was not allowed into the room. But there's anticipation that court could resume this afternoon. We're very much in wait-and-see mode right now here at Fulton County Courts. We will definitely keep you posted. But that move for a mistrial comes after a witness last week was asked to read social media posts in court, but read an unredacted version with the names of incarcerated defendants. Well, that prompted the defense to move for a mistrial. Judge Paige Whitaker did indicate she could consider a mistrial without prejudice, which would end the trial but preserve the state's ability to retry this case. We could hear more on the judge's decisions today in regards to that mistrial. But attorneys for multiple defendants also tell 11 Alive there have been negotiations with state prosecutors. Now, we don't know the details of those conversations, but Joshua Schiffer, an attorney not affiliated with the case, he offers this perspective.
Prior plea offers have basically been time served and get out of jail. That's really tempting when you've been on trial for so long. The length of this trial must be weighing on everyone involved. The idea of having a retrial, unbelievably expensive, and most people consider cruel, considering how long these presumed innocent defendants have been sitting in pretrial detention.
Now, at this point, what comes up next really remains uncertain, but there's also the chance that we could simply see this trial move forward and just proceedings keep going ahead. So that's something that we're going to be watching for as well, and we'll keep you posted as court resumes. Again, we expect that to be happening this afternoon, but again, we're wait and see here in Fulton County. Sending it back to you.
All right, a few options there on the table. Liza, thank you. We have been following this trial through every twist and turn. You'll find an interactive timeline of the key dates starting in May of 2022 on 11alive.com. It's on the homepage in the feature section. We're streaming the trial live on the 11 Alive Plus app. That's a free download to your smart TV and your phone today.